I'm Maria Fidelis de la Paz and I'm from the Philippines. I think that the ones who teach us are really professional and they're very patient with us. Every step of the way you feel you're confident because they do not leave you behind, just teach you all the way. I think it's worth the price because I've never really seen any course where you have been able to do so much practice on real patients. So I really think it's worth it. I'd say I grew up in just 1 week from being a surgeon, an eye surgeon. Now I can move on to aesthetic facial medicine, especially concentrating on the eyes. And I think I'm ready. And also I gained a lot of friends because AMEC is a real family environment, and it's nice to have friends and to be able to go back and ask help from your teachers. I think it gives you more confidence to start practicing on your own.